Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So for those of you who watched my last video on the ceramic wash and wax, this is a follow-on to that. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll link it down in the description. And if you're new around here, click the subscribe button for me. That would be awesome. Right, so today's review, we're going to be reviewing Turtle Wax's Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Wet Wax. Like I say, we used this last week, and because I'm shooting this video straight after the last one, the car's still a bit wet, which is exactly how we want it. So what we're going to need for this, get this out of the way, put this center stage, we're going to need some of that, and we're going to need a microfiber towel, and that's all we're going to need. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to use this microfiber towel just in case it doesn't dry it well enough, but given how good the ceramic wash and wax was, I would imagine this stuff's going to be pretty spectacular as well. Give the bottle a good shake, go over to the car, and what it says to do is spray two scooshes of the spray per panel, and then just wipe it off. So let's give it a go and see how good it is. In fact, tell you what, just like the last video, let's use the bonnet as the example for this. It'll be a lot easier if we use the bonnet. So what we'll do is we'll spray the stuff on this half, we'll leave this half as it is, and let's see the difference. So it does quite well at drying it. I wouldn't really call it a drying aid though. That's one thing it definitely isn't. But what I'm keen to do now is what we'll do is we'll spray some water on it and we'll see how differently it beads from this side to this side. Do you see how much faster it beaded on this side? Pretty good so far. But anyway, let's crack on, do the rest of the car, and let's see what happens next. So for 20 minutes work, that looks awesome. Absolutely amazing. A great product. I forgot to do the windscreen, I'll do that off camera. I forgot to do the front bumper, I'll do that off camera as well. But look at the gloss and the depth of colour that came back into that car from something as simple as a spray wax. And that's just fantastic. Right, so what did I think of Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Wet Wax? Well, actually, I thought I'd mix it up a bit this week. So rather than just do my usual spiel like this, I left the car a week and let it get all dirty again from just the usual wear and tear that the daily driver gets. As you can see, it's filthy again. So what we're going to do is we're going to power wash it and see how much of the dirt comes off with just the power wash alone without having to sponge it, and then see if the water beading's still there a week later. Now it should be, because it's got ceramic properties in the wet wax, so it should still bead the same way as it did earlier on in the video, but you never can tell, so let's put it to the test. So far so good, quite impressed indeed. Removed all the dirt, well sorry, no, it didn't remove all the dirt, it's removed all the heavy dirt that's got on the car. Obviously you'd still need to, or I'm going to, shampoo the car, get all the fine dirt off, but it's removed all the heavy stuff really easily, which is what I would have expected to do with any kind of ceramic coating attached to it. It's also, the beading on the windows is crazy, watch this. Look at how fast the water runs off the windows. That's just awesome. So what did I think of Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Wet Wax? I really like it. Couple of pros, couple of cons. Let you guys decide for yourself what you think. The car, having been driven for a week, got really dirty. You can see it yourself. The water's beaded off it again, exactly like it did last week. It was super easy to clean. That took me maybe 10 minutes to do the whole car. So from a convenience point of view, super convenient product, really quick to apply, clearly lasts at least a week with fairly heavy use. I mean, that car's done probably 200 plus miles this week, so it's good from that point of view. I haven't given it the fighting chance that it deserved to meet the 12 months that it claims it'll last on your car, because what you're actually meant to do, if you have the whole Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions range, you'd wash the car first, you'd machine polish the car with their Hybrid Solutions polish, and then you would apply something like this. So I haven't given it the ultimate fighting chance it could have, but it still held up really well considering all I did was wash the car with their ceramic wash and wax and then apply that product. So that's really good. You don't have to let this cure, which makes me think that there's not, although there is silica dioxide in the product, I don't think there's a considerable amount of it, which is the reason why I don't think the durations will last all that long for it to stay on your paintwork. So I would guess that it'll probably last on this car maybe 2-3 months. I'll keep you guys up to date with I'll post a story on YouTube in a couple of months when I wash the car again. But yeah guys, that's it for this week's video. I would highly recommend this product, I really would. It's really great for your enthusiast, your hobbyist, whatever you want to call it. Hope you enjoyed the video. The next video coming out for you guys that I'm working on just now is the cop car. And what we're going to do is we are going to get the roof painted, get the roof lining back in it, give it an interior detail, give it an exterior detail, and we will be good to go. Might split it into 2 videos because I'm going to use a different ceramic coat for this, an actual true ceramic coat for this car that I haven't used before, so maybe do 2 videos on it. But anyway guys, go out and buy yourself some Turtle Wax stuff. It really is amazing. See you in the next one. Peace.